How to make a playlist on YouTube. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make a playlist on YouTube. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your YouTube. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you've done that, you can then go ahead and open up a video that you want. Or you can simply head over to the bottom right corner on your profile. Then you'll see the playlists option. Tap on playlist here. And after you're here, you can create a new playlist. Tap on create a new playlist and give it a title. So I'll just name it test, then tap on create. And doing that, I've just created a playlist. Now to add videos on this playlist, you can tap on add videos right here, search for a video, and then open up a video or simply tap on save to playlist. You can do it this way, or what you can do to create a playlist without going to the playlists is simply open up a video that you want. So let's say that I want to open up a video. Let me open up this one right here. After you open up a video, on the bottom you'll find an option where you'll see save. Tap on this save option and you'll see this bottom right change button. Tap on the change button and select the playlist that you just created, or simply create a new playlist as well. It's really simple. Then tap on done and you'll have added your video in the playlist. So you can check that by going to playlist and heading over to view all, and there you can see the test playlist and it has 2 videos now. And that's how you can create a playlist on your YouTube. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.